Hello everyone, my name is Karen. I'm going to be showing you how to do your quill craft this evening. Thank you for enjoying your Harry Potter box with us. You will need the 2 pieces of paper that are in your box, some scissors that your parents say are okay for you to use, the glue stick that came in your box, and the pen that came in your box. So what you're going to do first is cut out the quill feather, and you're going to cut just inside the black marks. Okay, so that's that first piece with no black marks showing. Just put that aside. And the same thing for this piece. You don't actually need to cut out this bottom piece. You can start right there. So that's what I'm going to do. Then next, one of your pieces says pen goes here. So we're going to get your pen, take the top off, and get it ready to go there. But first, you're going to glue all on the inside. Need some more. All around the edges. All in the middle. Get a nice coat of glue over that whole piece. Then you'll take your pen, put it in that little spot marked pen goes here, give it a press. Then you will take this piece and place it on top. You're going to sandwich the pen inside and line up the edges as best you can, and then take your fingers around the edge and give it a smoosh. Give that a smoosh. Then pick it up, and then I like to put my fingers on either side of the pen and smoosh around the pen. Just squeeze your thumbs all the way around the whole thing. There we go. Next, you're going to want to flip it over so that the pen side is up. You're going to take one side, doesn't matter which one. I'm going to take this one, flip it over, and give it a little pinch. And then you want your glue again. You're going to glue, get glue all on that side. Okay, now you're going to roll the edge around the pen. When you get to this edge, give it a good smush, good squeeze. Twirl it around, give it a squeeze, really get that glue to stick. Okay, now we're almost done. You can be done now if you want, or you can cut feathers into it. Now what I'm gonna do is cut at a downward angle, close. I want to cut up to the edge of the pen. So it's easier for me to hold it this way. And the closer you get the cuts together, the more feathery it's gonna look. But if you find that tricky, you don't have to do that. You can just leave them wide. Okay. Okay, and now I'm just about at the end of the pen that you can see sticking up here. So now I just have to keep cutting, but I don't want to go all the way through the middle because you'll just cut the feather off. Keep going. Make sure to leave an uncut space. Leave an uncut space right down the middle. Teeny tiny cuts here at the end. Boom, like that. You flip it over and do the other side just like it. Get that downward angle. And same thing again, once you get past the pen that stops right about there, you can keep cutting, but just make sure to leave the middle uncut so you don't accidentally cut off the top of your quill. One more, like that. All right, and then you have your quill. That you can write with. Here's a piece of scrap. Oop. There we go, it says hello. Backwards for you. Now you can have a plain white quill if you like, or what I did for one of my quills is I colored it beforehand with some Sharpie markers. And I just used my markers to color in both sides of the quill pattern before I cut it out. I was going for kind of a peacock feather. I think this looks nice. Or you can go keep it plain. It's up to you. Thank you. I hope you have a good time.